Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning all. First, I respect Miss C. Arfani as an English lecturer and my friend love it. Rignu want to. I want to introduce myself. My name is Cinta Dwi Lestari and graduate from Information Technology 1B. Today I will deliver a speech about smoking entitled Smoking is a bad habit in all levels. My friend, as we know, smoking is one part of the daily activities of the majority of Indonesian society. Most smokers know the dangers of smoking, but they never try to stop smoking because they that we as the younger generation must be convinced that smoking is of three factors among others. Number one, contain poison substances. Number two, causing diseases such as cancer. Number three, expensive. The first factor of smoking is bad habit is contain poison substance. We should not consume cigarettes because it is not good for health. I am sure you know there are many substances in cigarette smoke is dangerous. For the example, nicotine substance. That substance is very dangerous and can cause various diseases. Not only dangerous for smoker, it is also dangerous for us if we near the smokers. So if there is a smoker near you, say to him or her, full substance, him or her cigarettes for a moment with good quality. Smoking habit also produces behavioral effects that are bad for the smokers, and so many the negative effects of smoking. Smoking is not positive activity for else young generation so guess from now let's we say go studying stop smoking and be the best student for our country and school. I think that's all. Thank you for extension. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. King edition. Here is where your presentation begins. Here I will discuss smoking disease and its symptoms. One the disease and its symptoms. Introductions to the disease. On the first part of the presentation, it's important to give an overview of the disease you're going to speak about. This helps your audiences understand the context, the health risks, likelihood of developing it, prevalence. What is at risk? Generation factor. When a genetic factor puts a person at risk of developing an illness. What is at risk? Genetic factor. When a genetic factor puts a person at risk of developing an illness, it means that there is a hereditary component to that illness. This can be due to specific genetic mutations or variations that increase a person's susceptibility to developing the illness. Environmental factors. When an environmental factor puts a person at risk of developing an illness. Types of disease. Disease vary based on transmission like communicable and non-communicable. They can also differ in duration, acute or chronic. Disease spread as communicable or stem from genetic lifestyle as non-communicable, recognizing how disease transmits in first preventive measure, while understanding non-communicable causes ends in lifestyle engagement. Duration disease ranges from acute with student symptoms and short span to chronic with prolonged events. Managing acute cases requires swift action, while chronic condition demands continuous care to alleviate lasting impacts. For main types of treatment, medical treatment, this involves the use of medications, surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, or other medical procedures to treat a particular illness. Alternative therapies. Alternative therapies include a range of treatments that are not considered part of conventional medical practice. Behavioral therapy. Behavioral therapy involves various techniques that are used to treat mental health conditions such as depression, anxiety, and addiction. Lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes involve making modifications to an individual diet as strengths, habits, or other behaviors. This factor, age, many diseases occur more frequently in certain age brackets. Genetics. Some diseases have a hereditary component and can be passed down through families. Lifestyle. Certain behaviors can increase the risk of developing some illness. Environment. Exposure to certain substances in the environment can increase the risk of developing some disease. Medical history. A personal or family history of certain illness can increase the risk of developing related or similar conditions. Gender. Some illnesses are more common in one gender than the other. 10.000 patients treated, 85% success rate, 1.000 suffered secondary events. 1 trillion investment in disease research is crucial for improving public health outcomes, advancing medicine, and improving quality of life for patients, which in turn has the potential for significant economic growth and global health benefits. Disease prevalence. 0-5% of the population in these regions are affected by this disease. 6-14% of the population in these regions are affected by the disease. 15-30% of the population in these regions are affected by the disease. Symptoms and diagnosis. Most common symptoms. Use is said to display the most common symptoms of the disease. Being discussed includes a graph with a clear title and label for each exam. You can also explain how the disease is diagnosed, including the types of tests or procedures used, to help your audience understand how it is identified and treated. This is history. Discovery of the disease. Early research, first treatment, milestone discoveries, breakthrough treatment, epidemics, outbreak, current research, future directions, diagnosis and treatment for jumpstart, patient symptom. List the symptoms that the patient is expressing. A, B, C. List the diagnosis tests that were performed. A, B, C. Diagnosis confirmed. This step represent the confirmation or ruling out of a specific disease diagnosis based on the result of the diagnosis test. Prescribed treatment. List the recommended treatment options A, B, C, and relief in pains. A. Photoshockers can be a support addition to any prostitution, as it showcases the most human side of every subject. Disease management. Number of cases of the disease over time. Describe the trend of the disease cases over time. Provide key insights or observations about the graph. Explain any significant change or pattern in the graph. Region North South X. Number of cases 1,00, 2,500, 1,200. Percentage of cases 20%, 50%, 24%. List the region or areas that are relevant for the disease. Enter the number of cases for each region or country. Describes any notable variations or trends among the regions. Provide additional details or observations about the table. This is overview and closing information. Causes. Enter in this section specific information about causes. Symptoms. Enter is this section specific information about symptoms. Diagnosis. Enter in this set specific information about the diagnosis. Treatment. Enter in this section specific information about the treatment. Prevention. Enter in this section specific information about prevention. Key findings. Summarize the most important or relevant aspects of the disease. Use bullets or point to present the key findings in a clear and organized manner. Conclusions. 1. In this selection, summarize the key findings from the disease study. 2. Provide an overview of the implication for the correct diagnosis. Eye-contact smoking. Alternative research case. Here is an assortment of alternative resources with styles instead of these templates. Smoking leading packed with 6 rules. 5 no tobacco the vertical poster template 1. 5 no tobacco the vertical poster template 2. My presentation. Thank you.